This is the WEARLOK wear bend, Harlsan's precision-engineered deflector box for RC drilling rigs. It's built to last and to keep you running efficiently in the harshest of drilling environments. The WEARLOK is one of those pieces of equipment that's designed to make drilling simpler. In RC drilling, the deflector boxes take a lot of punishment. Traditional deflectors wear out quickly, and replacing them slows you down and increases your operating cost. This is where the WEARLOK is different. The WEARLOK has a replaceable plate and sleeve system. These plates bear the brunt of the wear, and when they're worn out, you just replace them without having to replace the entire deflector. This means you have less downtime and more time drilling. This change out can be done in the field. So change out the plates and your housing stays put on the rig. This makes maintenance simpler and a lot safer for your crew, who have to spend less time working at height without the need to manually handle heavy loads. Harlsan manufacture the WEARLOK in a variety of different configurations to suit most major rig setups, but because we manufacture everything in-house, we have the ability to tweak the design should you have a specific need. Let's talk about performance in the field. One of our customers changed their standard deflectors for WEARLOKs and saw dramatic improvements. Wear life was extended from weeks to months, downtime was cut by 60%, and fewer replacements meant cost savings and more rig productivity. The WEARLOKs are designed, manufactured, and tested in Australia and shipped around the world every day. Our parts and support are available globally, and if you're interested to find out how a WEARLOK might improve your rig productivity, please get in touch with us.